Yes, Banig. Hello. Hi, maayong buntag sa inyong tanan. I'm Caroline Veronilla, proudly representing Misamis Oriental.
First one is tell us something about yourself.
That's probably one of the hardest questions that I ever have to answer, but in retrospect, I think about my family, and I'm a proud sister to a cancer thriver. My sister was diagnosed at the age of 24 with stage 4 lymphoma, and she's someone that I look up to, and with her experience coming into this journey, I looked up to her even more. She inspired me even more to be more courageous, and I'm proud to say that I'm a sister to a cancer thriver.
What is one beautiful word in your local language and what does it mean?
I have always loved the word puhon. Puhon is translated into someday, soon, and it's something that inspires me, it gives me hope, it makes me look forward to the future.
What's the word again?
Puhon.
Pohon.
Sometimes you use it na, kita rata puhon, sabay rata puhon. So someday, and that's something that I look forward to.
How was that one learning experience of yours as a child that made so much impact on you?
As a child, I was really loved by my family. I grew up in a loving home, and that impacted me and how I grew up. I value family, and everything that I do is for them, and that's what I'm applying even until now, joining Miss Universe Philippines.
During this pandemic, what is the greatest lesson that you've learned?
The greatest lesson I've learned is to take better care of myself. I have always had a macro perspective on things, so I'm used to giving myself, helping other people, and then I came to a point when I struggled to get out of bed. I struggled to be productive, and I didn't know what's happening. And so I consulted my family, and then I realized that I forgot to take care of myself during this time, and that's something that I really learned a lot from, and I have been applying even now that I'm joining Miss Universe Philippines.
If you win, how do you plan to help your community?
If I do win Miss Universe Philippines, they would be so proud of me, and that's already a big help. This platform is so huge, and I really want to help promote the tourism in Misamis Oriental. It's one of the top eco-adventure destinations in the country, and I believe that I can do more in promoting the beautiful destinations in my province through this platform.
What color do you think represents the phenomenal woman?
The color that represents a phenomenal woman is violet, because it's a color of women, it's a color of empowerment, and I believe it's very royal, it's very elegant, and it's something that we need to embrace.
So work from home is now part of the new norm. So what are the skills that you think are needed in this so-called new workplace of the future?
To be honest, I'm also working from home, and even now I'm working. I brought my laptop with me. I'm still supporting the children that we work with in World Vision, and I believe that technology is a very big thing now that we're experiencing this new normal, and I really hope that we invest more on internet connection, because that's where really the work is right now, and it also helps a lot of children attain their education.
If there's one spot or place in Misamis Oriental, man-made or natural, that you would like to promote to the world, what would it be?
My favorite place in Misamis Oriental is a seascape and landscape in Initao, Libertad. It's actually a very nice place. There are a lot of trees there, century-old trees, and it's by a cliff, so you can go cliff diving. You enjoy both worlds, the mountains and the seas, and it's also home to tarsiers and monkeys. Yes, it's found in Misamis Oriental. It's the protected seascape and landscape in Initao, Libertad. Yes, Initao. So it's in between two municipalities, Initao and Libertad. So they share that spot.
Ako naman, what I want to know is, you know there's a movement called Love Local, right?
Yes.
What local products do you want to promote and why?
To be honest, I really like to promote the local fabrics of Mindanao. So right now, I'm wearing a Tagulwanon. It's a banig made by the Tagluwanon tribe in Bukidnon. When I also arrived, I wore the tinalak of South Cotabato, and A few days before, I also wore a yakan outfit from the tribe in Basilan. And so I really want to promote the local fabrics we have because it's something that we really have to embrace.
Well, last question is, what's one thing you think young people like you should focus on?
We really have to focus more on our purpose, what we want to achieve in life, because that's the direction we are going. That's our guide in order to succeed. That's our guide to happiness, to fulfillment. And I really hope that more and more people, youth especially, would know their purpose at an early age so that they will be guided in their path. Thank you. Thank you so much. Daghang salamat.
Si paano sinusuot yan, zipper?